Hi ladies and gentlemen, in this tutorial I want to talk to you about just working with objects within an Act marketing automation campaign. When I look at the screen right now, the green circles and the blue box, those are objects. If you'll notice down below, there's some writing just below these objects. If you want to change any one of these objects, you simply click on it once and a box will pop up with options within it. Sometimes there are no options. I'm going to close that. If you decide for whatever reason just to make it different on the screen, you want to move objects around, hold the control key down and now just drag on your screen. You don't even have to click on the object, just drag someplace on the screen while holding the control key down. So again, that says that right there. Now on my mouse, I have a scroll wheel. So I can scroll. So if I click on the screen and then scroll in or out, I can make things bigger. Now I'm going to hold the control key down and drag it over. So I can make things bigger or smaller with the scroll key. So those are three quick and easy things you can do with these objects just to make it a little easier on the screen. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you very much. Have a great day.